Okay, so thanks for checking out the first video. At this point, I assume that you're still interested. So I want to show you just a couple other things that I was trying to, leave out of the first video just to keep it under 10 minutes. But things that you need to know about how the merge listing data machine works. So first off, yeah, you're going to enable editing on that. And we're back to our generic data. So over here is your character counter. So the character counter, what that's going to do is make sure that the characters for all of the brand, the title, and bullet points stay short enough to where they're still allowed. So let's say that you made your baker like this shirt. Let's go really long title, and we're just going to copy that and paste it a few times to make it too long. Let's go. Okay. All right. So you'll notice that the title now is really long. This turns red, and unless you know, like on the standard shirt, premium shirt, long sleeve, sweatshirt, and hoodie, that the title's too long, and so it's gonna let you know that it has to be max length to 60 characters on those. So you're gonna need to kind of get that a little bit shorter. So we're gonna bring that down. So that's it says really long title, but it's reasonable, and we can do that with like these. And the bullet points are, a little bit longer. You get a lot more characters. But eventually, yeah, those will drop off. And you see how the max is 256, and they're a little bit different from each other because they're customized. And so while the standard shirt might be, acceptable, the premium shirt might not. It's a little bit longer. The long sleeve is the longest. And so you definitely want to customize those. So what we'll do is we'll just make that short again, and it'll go green. Okay. Next, if you I recommend to everyone, you definitely want to customize this so everyone doesn't have the same bullet points and the same description. And so, it's going to change. If you click on here, you'll see this little and C3, and that is like the formula for that listing. And so what you want to do is you can change the wording in here to anything you want. So if you say people who like like cookies and stuff, like all these, it'll show you. If you click on it, it'll color code. So C6 is cookies, C7 is cakes, C8 is bread. And so if you say let's say people who love those things, you just change that and press enter, and then it's going to change. Oh. On this one, it's not going to go all the way across, and so you can customize those. So if you say, all right, this one says this T-shirt. If you wanted to say this premium T-shirt, you could do that too. You just add in some characters. You want to just make sure that it's always going to say equals. It's going to start with a quote. It's going to end with a quote. And anytime that has it inserts one of the keywords, it's going to have this formula like this. And so you can rearrange these things as much as you want, and really I recommend you customizing those a lot. All right. Then if you use Merge Lister Pro, if you make a title too long, so let's say that you just ignore the fact that this thing says that it's too long and you upload it anyway. So if we copy this here, and then we're going to open up our CSV, our demo profiles here. We're going to copy those in and save it. Okay, so now if we open up Merge Lister Pro, it will let you import those. Oops. Nope, it's demo. That's right. Sorry about that. Okay, so it's gonna let you upload those, but it will show you that it'll have a little exclamation point and let you know this is too long. And so the max length for this field is 256. And if you want to, you can go in here and you can edit that. And whenever you edit it, if you cut it down, it's gonna let you type, and it's gonna automatically stop you at 256 characters, which is a lot. There you go. Can't do that anymore, so we're at 256. That's a really ugly bullet point. Definitely don't use that. But it's going to stop you inside that Chrome extension, so that's a pretty good way to do that. But again, if you just pay attention to the character count field on the spreadsheet, that's going to keep you from going over on that. If you guys have any other questions on that, that's really all I had left. I didn't include in the first video was keep your eye on the character count, and that's really going to help you out. And then also definitely go through and customize these. What I like to do is I like to use my brand name in here, and so let's say it is Johnny's Designs, and then for I'll do Johnny's Designs St. Patrick's, or Johnny's Designs lunar eclipse, or whatever. And so I'll put my brand name and then some keyword data in the brand name portion, just to help differentiate it. And that way, on all of these, they'll all have the same brand name. And so if they find your shirt, they'll also like down at the bottom of the page it says other products by this brand, and it'll show the shirt, the premium shirt, the sweatshirt, the hoodie. And I feel like that'll help me in the future get some sales. But yeah, if you guys have any questions, definitely hit me up. Just send me a Facebook message or post that in the Merch Guild Facebook page, and I'll be happy to answer any questions you have. See ya.